In today's video, I'll show you how to record audio directly in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. Open your Canva project or start a new design. On the left panel, click Uploads and then select Record Yourself at the top. Canva will ask for microphone access. Click Allow to proceed. Once ready, hit the record button. Speak clearly and check the input levels as you go. You can pause or restart if needed to get a polished recording. When finished, stop the recording. Canva automatically saves it to your project files. Now you can drag and drop your audio into your design and even trim or adjust it to fit perfectly. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've added a professional, personalized audio touch to your Canva project. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.